Hey, what's up, guys? So, welcome to another video. This is a video of my new custom aluminum radiator neck installed. I'm sorry I couldn't show you step by step how to do it, especially with one hand, but this is the factory plastic. You could tell this was soon going to be cracking. You know that you can see this coloration and somewhat getting see-through. I'm not sure the camera's picking that up. But to do the install video, the quickest way to do it, so the simplest way I could say to do it is to avoid taking this off, which is a mother lever to take out, just because you gotta squeeze it through that little thing right there. What you're gonna do, get like a ratchet like this with the flexible neck, and what you want to do, put it in like this and loosen it up. Also, note, you're going to have to drain some of the coolant, just so when you loosening these, taking it off with a wrench, not wrench, pliers, you want to grip it like this and make sure this little tab is going through there, and you're going to slide it all the way back on each side after you drain some of the coolant. That way this is somewhat empty. I haven't refilled it yet, but I just finished installing this. It took about 10 minutes. As you can see. So once this section is empty on the plastic factory one, you could pull these back, slide it all the way down. That way it's past the neck. You can feel how far it extends and slide this past it on both ends. Now all you do is pull it out, put this in, put the hose on, use pliers, slide it back up on both ends, fill this up, refill this up, what you took out, and then just tighten it back up. Like I said again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys step by step while doing this. It would have been with one hand, it would have been difficult and took a lot more time to do. If you're wondering why this is all wet, it's because I washed it, because it was kind of dusty. If you see in my last video, it's still somewhat dusty. I still got some more cleaning to do. But that's it for this video. Appreciate y'all. See you in the next one.